Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today another easy ramen recipe. So today, you saw on the thumbnail and the title, you already know what you're getting into. Soy garlic, easy soy garlic chicken ramen. Need I say more? Let's get into it. So we need to get our soy garlic sauce ready. So in a mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, seasoned rice wine, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of chicken stock, 2 large or 4 small cloves of garlic, just grate into the bowl and mix all the sauce together and the sauce is ready. So simple. Okay, so black pepper or like sesame oil or their flavor will coming next. So keep this sauce as simple as it is and set aside. Now I'm going to chop 2 green onions for the topping and 1 ramen egg that I prepared earlier. Like I said, I always have a ramen egg in my fridge all the time. So whenever I'm making either easy ramen, real ramen, or instant ramen, I always have a ramen egg that put it on top of my ramen. Whatever that is, makes me feel so fancy and like proper. You know what I mean? You've got to have a ramen egg on your ramen to be proper. And now I'm going to cut chicken. For this recipe, you will need 2 skin-on chicken thigh. You can use without the skin, it is okay. Or you can just use 1 chicken breast. But obviously, I love chicken thigh with the skin on because that is the best cut of a whole entire chicken. Just cut them into bite sizes and set aside. Now on a stove, go ahead and bring a pot of water to boil to cook the noodles. And while we are waiting the water to boil, we are going to heat a medium-sized pot to over medium-high heat. If you are using non-stick pan, you can just go ahead and add a tablespoon of oil and cook the chicken and all that. But if you are using a stainless pot like me, then you need to go through this step. Otherwise, the chicken skin will stuck on your pot and just ending up there instead of ending on your mouth. You know what I mean? Go ahead and add about a tablespoon of oil into the hot pot and swirl the oil to cook. When the oil is a little, like a little wavy looking, then you can definitely see that when you pay attention. Then turn the heat to low and let them just be there on the low heat for about 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, go ahead and turn the heat back on to medium-high and wait until the oil is wavy again. That means the pot is ready to cook the chicken. So go ahead and add the chicken skin side down if you're using chicken with the skin. And pour the sauce mixture. Cook the chicken in the sauce all together so chicken will absorb all the delicious flavor. When sauce starts to boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low. This is the time to drop your ramen noodles into the boiling water. So if you're using dry ramen noodles, definitely you have to cook the ramen noodles way ahead than we start cooking the chicken because it takes a while. But if you're using fresh one like mine, you can definitely drop it like at this point. Drain the noodles completely, then add into the chicken and the sauce mixture. Feels so good just to have you around. Toss the noodles in the sauce until the noodles absorb all the sauce. In this town, but it feels so good just to have you around. Then transfer the ramen noodles and the chicken on a serving bowl. By the way, this is 2 portion, okay? This is 2 portion. Arrange the chicken, garnish it with chopped green onions, the ramen egg. Like I said, this is 2 portion. That's why I'm putting the whole egg. I mean, if you're greedy like me, you can eat the whole thing by yourself, but you know what I mean. And another garnish, I like to add the dried nori or kim in Korean. And lastly, crack some black pepper right on top, and it's done. So easy! If you really love this kind of easy ramen recipes, please let me know and watch it. Thumbs up, don't skip the ads so I know you guys love it. So I will keep creating these easy ramen recipes for you.
You guys gonna wait on me this time?
Uh-huh.
Sure.
Go. Eat everything.
Like right now. Here.
I
특이야.
gotta wait my turn.
오.
Where we're at. Are we in the right spot? Every one of us needs to look at that every time. Not just digging in, like you guys keep doing.
Like you said, sriracha would be amazing.
Doesn't need it, but
나 먼저.
you want a little extra kick.
That's good.
Just a little bit. That's it.
Sorry, I haven't even looked at the camera yet.
That's kind of what I was talking about.
Eating.
Whoa.
sriracha. Is it good? So what is your favorite so far from tantanmen, the 10-minute tantanmen, shrimp wonton noodles, and ramen, and soy garlic chicken ramen?
They're all delicious.
To me, tantanmen.
Me too.
Oh, really?
Me too.
I thought you guys would say the shrimp wonton. Shrimp wonton is my favorite.
What was that?
Guys, if you like my soy garlic, green onion coming up. If you guys like my soy garlic chicken ramen, please give this video a thumbs up. Sriracha getting me. And subscribe my channel. I'm talking with my food in my mouth. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas.
I'm Hanyo Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. We'll see you next time. Bye guys!
Bye.
Oh, the cigarette makes it.